Assalamu alaikum Tahti bachon. It is Lon Makbul in front of you along with lesson grammar work of your English text. Today we have to discuss narrations. आज हमको narrations पढ़ने हैं. Narration is simply a storytelling way of storytelling. Here we have two types of narrations. One is direct and another is indirect. Direct narration is the form of narration in which the speaker speaks the exact words of the third person. In indirect narration, the speaker speaks the the words of third person in his own words. It converts them into his own words. It is called indirect speech. Here today we shall discuss the rules for changing the narrations, for changing direct narrations into indirect. Here is rule number 1. If the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, the verb in the reported speech remains unchanged. यानी रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच में अगर वर्ब जो है प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर टेंस में होगा तो जो वर्ब इन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में आएगा वो अनचेंज्ड होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, ही सेज आई एम क्विट वेल. इसको हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, ही सेज दैट ही इज क्विट वेल. एम आई जो हो वो कन्वर्ट हो गया ही में. ही सेज दैट ही इज क्विट वेल. ही सेज ही वाज क्विट वेल. ऐसा चेंज होगा, ही सेज दैट ही वाज क्विट वेल. रूल नंबर 2 है, इफ द रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज इन द पास्ट टेंस. अगर पास्ट टेंस में होगी रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब, द टेंस ऑफ द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच इज चेंज्ड इनटू द कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग पास्ट टेंस. जैसा कि प्रेजेंट सिंपल बिकम्स पास्ट सिंपल. फॉर एग्जांपल, ही सेड आई एट एन एप्पल. ही सेड दैट ही एट एन एप्पल. आई सेड ही सेड आई ईट एन एप्पल. इसका ऐसा हम लिख सकते हैं इनडायरेक्ट में, he said that he ate an apple. Present continuous becomes past continuous. For example, he said I'm eating an apple. He said that he was eating an apple. Present perfect continuous past perfect में तब्दील हो जाता है as he said I have eaten an apple. He said that he had eaten an apple. इसी तरह यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस अगर होगा तो वो उसका पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस बन जाता है, वो पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस में तब्दील हो जाता है. जैसा कि ही सेड आई हैव बीन ईटिंग एन एप्पल. ही सेड दैट ही हैड बीन ईटिंग एन एप्पल. सिंपल पास्ट बिकम्स पास्ट परफेक्ट एज ही सेड आई एट एन एप्पल. ही सेड दैट ही हैड ईटन एन एप्पल. इसी तरह past continuous becomes past perfect continuous as he said I was eating an apple. He said that he had been eating an apple. Past perfect and past perfect continuous remains unchanged. For example, he said I had eaten an apple. He said that he had eaten an apple. He said I had been eating an apple. He said that he had been eating an apple. इसी तरह है रूल नंबर 2. Rule 2, the interrogative is changed into assertive form and the signs of interrogative is removed. इसी तरह अगर होगा, the inverted commas are also removed and words other than the conjunctions that are used after the reporting verb according to the following rules. Rule number 3, when the question begins with an interrogative pronoun in direct speech, who, what, which, whom, whose, etc., and with an interrogative verb, when, where, why, how, etc., the same pronoun or adverb is used to introduce the indirect speech without conjunction. That, for example, as he said, what is your name? He asked what my name was. He said, who is the writer of the book? He asked who the writer of book was. These were the rules for changing the narration of the sentence, changing the narration, changing direct speech into indirect speech or indirect into direct speech. Inshallah, I shall be back with another lesson, continuing the narrations in another show. तब तक के लिए दीजिए इजाज़त. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.